Tere tulemast Euroopa meistrivõistluste iluusutamises 2010 Rahvusvahelise Uisuliidu väikeste medalite üleandmistseremooniale, millele järgneb võistluste peasponsorite auhindade kätteandmine.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the medal winner ceremony for the small medals free dance of the ISU European Figure Skating Championships 2010 Tallinn, which will be followed by the award ceremony of the prizes of honor of the overall medalists and champions.
Rahvusvahelise Uisuliidu väikesed medalid jäätantsu vabatantsu kategoorias.
ISU Small Medals Award category Ice Dance Free Dance.
Medalid annab üle võistluste tehniline juht, härra Walter Zuccarò.
Please welcome the technical controller, Mr. Walter Zuccarò. First and winner of the ISU Small Gold Medals in Ice Dance Free Skating, Federica Faiella, Massimo Scali, Italy.
Second and winner of the ISU Small Silver Medal, Oksana Domnina, Maxim Shabalin, Russia.
Third and winner of the ISU Small Bronze Medals, Yana Hokhlova, Sergei Novitsky, Russia.
Ja meil on hea meel üle anda ka auhinnad võistluste ühtede peasponsorite Citizen ja Lumene poolt. Citizeni poolt ühed väärtuslikumad kellad kõikidele medalivõitjatele ja Lumenelt Soome parimad make-up tooted.
We are proud to present the gifts of honor for our new European champions, as well as for the second and third place medalists. The gifts are sponsored by Citizen Watches, having donated one of their valuable watches to each of the medalists, as well as from Lumene, our Finnish partner in cosmetic products.
Auhinnad annab üle Rahvusvahelise Uisuliidu ametlik esindaja Euroopa meistrivõistlustel iluusutamises 2010, Inglise Briti impeeriumi ordeni kavaler härra Courtney Jones.
The gifts will be awarded by the ISU representative for the European Figure Skating Championships 2010, Mr. Courtney Jones, OPE.
First, Oksana Domnina, Maxim Shabalin, Russia. Second, Federica Faiella, Massimo Scali, Italy. And third, Yana Hokhlova, Sergei Novitsky, Russia. Thank you very much and congratulations, and now we have time for photos and then we have time for questions and answers from the audience. Suured tänud teile kõigile, palju õnne võitjatele, meil on natukene aega pildist